Alexa, what's the date and time?
It's Thursday, June 20th, 2019 at 7:50 a.m.
7:50 a.m. Sounds like perfect time for some McDonald's breakfast. Full day of McDonald's. Full day of eating McDonald's without gaining 1,000,000 pounds and busting my calories. 177. I'll take it. See what the mirror's talking about. Get in there. This is gonna and go get some food. Okay, so here we go. Full day of eating McDonald's. 2 pretty good sized meals without completely blowing my calorie limit. Grabbing breakfast now. Gonna post back up at the crib, eat it, and that's it. Catch y'all soon. The best thing about this one is the golden arches are authentic. Look at that. Wow. Erica.
Hello, did you want with the bacon, egg, and cheese bagel?
Yes.
Alright, in the box for you. Can I have you all set here?
Hey, how's it going? It's me down here. That's a washer and dryer, don't mind. Well, let's just get this party started. I don't know, do I sit on my knees or what's it? Bacon, egg, and cheese bagel, hash brown, and a iced coffee. French vanilla to be exact. The total for this meal was $14.65. Not bad, eh? So let me open some of this real quick. Ballin'. Cinnamon melts. Another OG. With dessert, which is the cinnamon melts. This is just a light meal, man. God. I remember this having more in it. Maybe I'm wrong. No sugar added ketchup. Kill these off. I used to go to church every Sunday with my mom. I would get the cinnamon melts every time as a kid. I don't know how I wasn't like 200 pounds. It's down. I'm gonna go with the bagel next because I've actually never had one of their bagel sandwiches. Cool. This makes everything better, so just a little bit. A little bit of ketchup love. Last bite. Team Big Bites. Hash brown. And last but not least, the GOAT, of all breakfast sandwiches. Look at that. Look at that M. Mickey D's. Come on. Come on. Stupid light. Oh, no. Last bite. Last bite, whatever. McDonald's breakfast. Probably best fast food breakfast in the game. I don't remember exactly, but. So that leaves me room for dinner tonight. Now I gotta get up off the floor. Oh God. Take you guys with me real quick. Check the time again. Alexa, what's the time and date?
It's Thursday, June 20th, 2019 at 8:37 a.m.
There you have it. Catch you guys later tonight for some worldwide treats from McDonald's. Peace. All right, so I'm back for dinner. Got the golden arches behind me. About to get the worldwide menu. The new items. Taste the world from your backyard. About to go through the drive-thru.
This is double shrimp waffle McFlurry, one double extreme bacon. Sound correct?
That sounds perfect.
It'll be $19.98 at first window.
Thank you. Hey, that's almost the year I was born. 1998. I was born in 97. But I got this Stroopwafel McFlurry along with the other worldwide favorites. I'm driving. You probably should never do this. First piece of advice, don't ever do this. But this thing, took a bite already, of course, and Alexa, what's the time and date?
It's Thursday, June 20th, 2019 at 7:58 p.m.
Aha. PM this time.
Don't do this. It's not a real thing.
But I have to admit that after all the wonderful things Liz
Okay,
has
I'll see you
done,
later.
the many
I'll only be like 2 seconds because I'm starving. Already know. Tomato mozzarella sandwich. McStream bacon burger. And a cheesy bacon fries. Diet Coke. Stroopwafel McFlurry. Cheesy bacon fries. You got some fries and cheese and bacon. Cool. The Grand McStream bacon burger. I got the double, the double. Oh, that thing is nice. Look at that. And the tomato mozzarella chicken crispy sandwich. Pretty solid. There's chicken on there somewhere. Mukbang style. Mukbang. Try this cheesy fries real quick. Can't really complain, huh? French fries, cheese, and bacon. Can't go wrong. You can be in it.
Well, that's too late.
Look at this thing, yo. Yo, this thing is thick. Super thick. This thing is dense. It's like 900 calories. By the way, this order was 20 bucks. $19.98. Who spends 20 bucks at McDonald's? When I was younger, my mom used to buy like 10 McDoubles and 10 McChickens for me and my brothers, and that's 20 bucks. Understandable, because you get 20 sandwiches. Let me get another bite of this before it melts too much. It already kind of has. Oh my gosh. Look at that bun. It looks so pretty. Quick. Oh, I'm choking on Stroop waffle. Can't lose that. That's all she wrote. Solid. Solid meal, solid. Worldwide favorites, who knows how long it's gonna last. Flex on them. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.